Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to do trading war at sending what's it? Okay. No, I forgot what I'm about to say. Gifting war, yeah. Okay. With Crazy Race, Crazy Ace. Oh, my cat is watching me. And I'll start. Let's see, I don't have much. I'm going easy for now. Waited. Ooh, it's nice. I'm trying to make this good. If you guys hear the plane in the background, then I'm sorry. It's an artiste, not artist. Artiste. Okay. So she has a red one. She should wear a red one right now. Pigtails. Waiting. Oh, there. Thanks, here's yours. Oh my gosh. I owe you something better. If I had enough betters, then I'd give you one, but sadly I don't have a lot, but I do have some. Let's see. I really don't know what to do right now. I'm just surprised she actually gave me this. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Awesome passion. I'm just wowed. Oh my gosh. Oh, president. Gee, thinks I want one of those. Alright. Have it. Have it. Blah. Wait, don't I already have it? Yeah, I do. What else? What? Why doesn't it let us go inside? That's not fair. Should fix that. You know, I need to talk more, or else this video is gonna be boring. Like, real boring. So, let's see. I'm just gonna tell you random stuff. I got 2 shots yesterday, sadly. Okay, I sent it from... And also, I think someone's, like, there's this bad person that, ooh, yay, a bad person that is trying to, you know, like, bad people that try to steal kids. Yeah, I think I met one of those. It's a long story. He keeps on asking me where I live. Yeah, thanks. Here you go. After this, let's get serious. I'm gonna do I can't say no time. Let's see. Excellent. Get serious. Close your eyes. Let's see. Something good. I'm gonna give her the rhino. No, I'm gonna give her the horse. And Generals. Ooh, yay! Oh my gosh. Beta ball. Beta. What's this called again? What? I think it's a. Oh, what the heck? I think it's called what's it? Globe. Yeah. I hope I get something good. So I want to make this interesting. And something good. Something good. Let's see. Whoa! You have a lot of betas. Yeah, she's, you know, nowadays a lot of 12-year-olds have a lot of betas, are the rare ones in this game. Wait, I was bossing. No, but they are hard to get nowadays. Oh, Arctic Hood! To you guys, that might be like, oh my gosh, it's not like it's a rare spike or anything, but that is worth a lot to me. Man, how can I repay her? Your gifts are too good. Oh my gosh, Arctic Hood. I'm so happy. I'm putting it on this one. Oh, that looks so sick. All my arrows are boy. Awesome. I'm speechless. You know what? Okay. I'm doing this. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video soon. And to end it, I'm gonna send her one more thing. She's gonna be so happy. I bet she's gonna say like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And now that took me so hard to get. I had to trade 2 rare spikes for that. Which I think it's an overtrade. So, you guys think I'm too nice. Too nice. I'm going to send more arrows. Okay. You know, my dream item was actually the nature archway. So now I was getting tired of it. But I actually really want these fountains. I'm closing my eyes. Well, I'm not really closing my eyes, but I'm just gonna open my eyes when she's all done. I bet she's so happy. You know, yeah, I'm probably gonna do, you know, guys, like and comment. Please say if you liked this video. If you didn't quite like it, then, oh, thank you. If you didn't quite like it, then that's fine. Oh, that's nice. And, panda hat. Ooh, my Kingdom helmet. And, yeah, I was expecting for her to give me one of these fountains. I love these fountains. But, yeah, comment if you like this video and if I should make more of these, yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.